Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be roasting some fish on the stove top. So guys, I already cleaned them, washed them with lime and vinegar. Look inside of the fish, guys. It is so clean.
Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing.
Now I'll go ahead and start pouring the fish so it can be seasoned properly.
And she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video.
This is a pack of Maggi fish seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and use it to season my fish in and out.
Subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah, 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 yeah. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef.
Salt, and I'll sprinkle the salt lightly on the fish because I will be using other seasoning to season my fish, and those other seasoning has salt in them.
Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, you hear that? What me say?
This is the black pepper, and I'm going to be sprinkling the black pepper all over the fish, inside and out. Hold the can upright 6 inches away and spray. I'm gonna go ahead now and put my fish on, and I'm gonna be roasting my fish for 4 to 5 minutes on each sides. Now it's time to flip the fish over on the other side so the other side can start cooking. These roast fish, they smell so good. The aroma up in here is lovely. Look at these fish, guys. Wow. Guys, remember to give this video the thumbs up Thank you so much. And if you're new here and you have not yet subscribed, please remember to hit the subscription button and turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss out on my next upload. Thank you so much for your support, guys. To the viewing public, thank you all for your support. My new subscribers, welcome, welcome. Thank you guys so much. Wow, look here, guys. Look at these roast fish. No foil, no oven, right on my stove top. Wow, delicious, yummy. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Thanks for your support, guys. Each and every one, I thank you so much. Guys, take care of yourselves. Be good, do good, show kindness, love upon yourselves, guys. And I'll see you in another video. Bye. Take care. Bye.